GottaGetOnline.com/LiveWire.
Finally, Hillary Clinton coughed her face off while speaking about racism in Harlem. She's had coughing fits before, but this one went on and on and on and on. And I think we're going to count this.
Yeah,
time?
you each want to keep an independent track of how many coughs this is going to be, and we'll see if all of our numbers match up.
Sure, okay.
Josh Spiegel
You want
has.
to guess first? I'm going to say
I'm going to say
34.
I was going to. Oh damn! I was going to say 35. I'll go 40. I'll go 40.
I'll
Well,
see.
you go 35
I'll go 40.
I'll see.
because it's closest without going over.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I'm
like
going
Price is Right.
Right, yeah. This is. I'll say 60.
60.
Roll it.
Represent inmates. Excuse me.
Jesus, I can't even keep track. How many is that?
Too much to say.
I lost track.
Wait a second. Let's start over. Mike, did we count at all?
No, I don't have.
Okay, so how are we going to
He's too
even
busy
know?
getting dead dog stories.
No, he was too busy looking at photos
He was too
of
busy
puppies that have been
he was too
boiled
busy
alive.
getting dead dog stories.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't keep track. It's
Yeah.
too
All right,
rapid
well,
fire.
okay, we'll
Coming up
try
at 8
it.
o'clock.
Try it again.
Half a kitten.
Okay,
all right, here we go.
Represent inmates. Excuse me. Too much to say.
Oh!
Do those count?
No, that did.
Clearing throat?
Nope.
That's been.
It's usually 2 at a time.
Wow. Thank you, Hazel.
Hazel! There's a twofer.
Jason, it's the double.
It's the
That's
double.
been part of my mission.
Thank you, Hazel!
And representing
Double.
poor people through the Legal Services Corporation.
Yeah, Hillary.
It's about making people's lives better.
Double. Double shot.
And it taught me that
Double shot weekend.
even if you're young
Oh.
Come on, Hillary.
Fight.
and you don't have a powerful
It's a
job,
1.
Fight.
if you work at it, stick with it, you can make a difference.
1. That was me. Double. Double. Double.
Still a minute to
Hey,
go.
it was a 2 for Tuesday.
Mike, I need that working for it audio, please. Please.
I lost.
Double.
Double shot.
They come in twos. Dose.
You know,
Yeah, what's that, Hillary?
What's up? What's up, Hill? What's on your mind?
That was a throat clear. Double. Double shot.
Double shot weekend.
thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're a great amen chorus. Thank you. You know,
Come on. I need
to
5
quote
more.
Dr. King,
I need 5 more.
the time is always ripe to do right, no matter who you are. And when I had the great privilege of representing New York, I worked with members of our congressional delegation.
That's it.
Damn it. I needed 5 more, you harpy.
5, 10.
Yeah, I lost
Well,
track.
how many
5,
did you
10,
have?
15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Wait a minute. 40, 44. Actually, I
had,
undershot. I had 44.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. I had 46.
I had 44. Maybe you counted some of the hacks. Michael Anderson.
48 over here, but I might
48.
have counted a couple
So, yeah, we're
of throat
close.
I
clears.
had 44. It went in excess of 40.
At first, I thought this was just like a temporary illness, but this has been going on for
Yeah,
months, right?
She's got to go to a specialist for this.
So you got to go to an ENT. That's an ear, nose, and throat. I'll handle the ear. You get the nose. Scott will work on the throat.
And you
Work
know
at
what? I think the liberal media is not addressing this because they want her to win. The liberal, as you say, Zionist media.
Zionist agenda.
Because if they raise this as an issue. I mean, this is a health issue.
Yeah, imagine he does that in front
Yeah.
of Putin.
You ain't gonna make it through 4 years sounding like this.
Look at it.
How you going to order a military strike in the middle of your order? You start coughing.
You're not gonna be able to.
We're sitting there having dinner with Putin, and you start coughing all over the table where there's food on it.
About trade relations.
You'll have your ass dragged out of there.
You did not cough on my food.
I'm sorry. I wanted to have this meeting. Ukrainian separatists have been found to have a nuclear. Damn it.